$30,000 to trade with.
Yes. You know, you can't lose if you don't got a stop loss. Liquidate it.
I used to be broke as a joke, now I'm having whatever I like. I still been fighting my demons, it's been one hell of a fight. I'm tired as hell, but I swear that I never get tired of trying. I'm cool as a wind, but I still can't let that nigga cross my line. Fuck what you heard, I don't care who you are. Came from the dirt, now I shine like a star. Ask how I'm doing, I'll tell you I'm fine. Look in my eyes, you can tell that I'm lying. Never thought that I would make it this far. I sing my little song as I play a guitar. Was writing this song and I ran out of time.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 773 Josh. We're back with another video, and right here I got Madison with me. How you doing, Madison?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing good. So I recently connected with Madison. I think it was originally like Instagram, right?
Yeah, Instagram.
Or no, it was TikTok. You commented on
my
TikTok,
yes.
Yeah. So Madison actually commented on one of my TikTok posts. I think it was something about me looking to build community in Atlanta. She commented on that one. We was originally supposed to link up, get things going, but she was on a cruise. How was that cruise?
Yeah, it was fantastic. It was amazing.
Where did you go?
I went to Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, and Dominican Republic.
Oh, that's fire. That's fire. So yeah, y'all, I've yet to be on a cruise, you know what I'm saying? I gotta do it. I know how to swim, so that was like my biggest fear at first when I first started thinking about cruises. Yeah. But
maybe we could do like a community cruise.
I would do it if I was there with a bunch of people. Like if I was there with a bunch of people that I do, I'd do it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
That would be lit.
We're gonna plan the cruise, y'all. If you're in a part of the community, go ahead and get connected. So since connecting with her after the cruise, we ended up reconnecting, you guys, and she got a crazy little situation going on right now, y'all. Like something that I believe a big blessing, but also a big challenge, you know?
Yeah.
Because I could only imagine how I would feel if I was in your situation. So to kind of enlighten you guys, right? Madison, her dad literally gave her $30,000 to trade with.
Yes.
And how long have you been trading before receiving the $30,000?
Before receiving the $30,000, I've been trading for 2 years, so we're coming up on 2 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shout out to 2 years though. Most people give up in like 3 months.
Man, yeah, it's been a journey for sure, but it's like trading has taught me so much stuff that you can utilize in the real world. It teaches you so much about discipline and just mindset every single day. Like I appreciate it so much for that.
Facts.
Yeah.
I feel like you learn more about yourself when you start trading.
Most definitely. Yeah, the charts are a reflection of you. Like it'll tell you everything about yourself, your greed, your fear, everything.
You'd be like, yo, I need to talk to somebody. I need help.
No. No,
check myself in.
Am I okay?
Literally start getting all type of diagnoses. So y'all, that's so crazy because, you know, I feel like we have a 9-day experience with trading. You know, when I first started trading, you know, I've been trading for about 5 years now. Nobody ever gave me $30,000. You know, but I have had people ask me like, yo, Josh, like, you know, let me give you this money and trade it for me. And when I tell you I'm so against that, because I feel like it's already a pressure that's on you for you to make something of their money, and then they don't ever text my phone and be like, we up and we down.
Right, there we go.
I'm blocking you. I'm like, look, bro, I'm gonna unblock you in a month. I need to focus. So, my question first for you is like, all right, boom. When you got that $30,000, was it like $30,000 no strings attached? Like just do what you could do with it, or was it $30,000? I want you to hopefully someday give me $10K back. like what was there any like strings attached?
I mean, there were kind of strings attached, but not necessarily in the way that you're saying it. My dad, he's already a very successful man, so it's like he doesn't want any money back from me. It's really more so he gave me the $30,000. So I was profitable for like 3 months before he gave me this $30,000. So once he's been hearing like I've been profitable, he's like, okay, you've been making money from little money. Let's see what you can do with some big money. So he gave me the $30,000, and he said, I'm giving you this $30,000 to make it work like till you graduate college. Jeez. And I want you to like start paying your own bills, taking care of yourself, so that I'm not the one doing it anymore. So he wants me to basically trade and like fund my own lifestyle essentially. Yeah, I guess those were the strings attached essentially, but he don't want nothing back for real. Like that's really it.
That's fire. Shout out to Pops.
Yeah, that's the year award.
Literally, like amazing jump start. So like for you personally, and I know y'all, we just officially connected in person today, and I'm talking about this is like our second time conversating, and we've been hitting it off, y'all. So you know, y'all definitely are gonna see more of Madison, and we're gonna get that YouTube channel going. So y'all gonna be seeing it all. But so when it comes down to like starting with before the 30,000, like what were like your biggest lessons with like trading, and what was like that moment that you was really like, all right, I'm gonna do this for real?
Okay. My biggest, first I'm gonna answer the moment where I was like, I'm gonna do this for real. Really, I don't know. I feel like from like within my first month in, I was like, I'm gonna make this work, like for sure. Cause just seeing like my mentor, the way like she was able to make like a substantial amount of money like in 2 hours, then be off the charts for have the whole rest of the day to herself. I was like, yeah, I'm going to make this work. Like I want my life to be exactly like that, because that's my main thing. Like I want to be financially free for the freedom and the like I want to have all my time to myself. Literally. So if you have to work hard and be using all your time to make so much money, then it's like, what's the money even for? Yeah, like so that's when I was like, yeah, I'm going to make trading work. Ever since then, I just didn't give up. Like I've been on the charts every day, every morning, 9:30 market open. Like I'm on there. Yeah, I'm there every day. So I'm looking at it. So yeah, that's when I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make this work. And what was the other question? So the other question was like, what was like the biggest lesson before this 30K? Because I mean, I don't want to put it on you, but we already know a lesson is gonna come after having more capital. And most definitely.
So like leading up to this point, what was like that biggest lesson that kind of maybe like gave you the biggest like the thing that taught you the most? You know,
I would definitely say being okay with losing. That was the biggest lesson. Risk management is one of the biggest things in trading. It essentially, your win rate is not what matters, it's the risk management that matters. So if a lot of the biggest institutions like banks and the best traders in the world trading with millions of dollars, their win rate is actually like less than 50%. Terrible. Yeah, it's less than 50%, but the 30% of the time they're winning, they're using like a 3-to-1 RR, 4-to-1 RR, and those wins are covering all their losses. So they're probably losing like 70% of the time. So one of the biggest lessons is really just you have to be okay with losing and not changing up your strategy, because trading is really a statistical game. Yes. So say you have a strategy that works, let's say 70% of the time, you might lose for like 5 days in a row, and you have your psychology has to be there to be like, okay, I lost the past 5 days, but I'm not going to change anything because this is my strategy. Like you're just in your 30% of the drawdown. That's you're just in that 30%. So you gotta be okay with it. Like you just have to be okay with losing, and you have to know that it doesn't mean you have to change something. That's where a lot of beginner traders go wrong, because they're strategy hopping. They think, oh my gosh, I've been losing. I got to change my strategy. And it's like, no, you're just in the trading is a statistics game. Like you're just in the drawdown part of your trading.
Nah, that's fire. Yeah, that's major. Like I said something to my community, and I think I gotta like put it on a T-shirt or something. But it made so much sense, and I said it even to my mentor. And now today I was looking at gold, and I made over 1,000 in my prop firm. Live account, we did good, but made 1,000 a day in my prop firm, and I was like questioning. I'm like, damn, bro, like I need this thing to drop. But what I told my community is, and I feel like another thing about trading, you could tell me if you agree, I feel like trading is so deeply directly connected to life and business in general.
Definitely.
It's like it's life, you know. It's like you're not gonna win all. I heard that playing basketball. Yeah. And now I'm learning it again in trading. It's like you ain't gonna hit every shot. You know? Like,
literally. So, it's just a part of life.
It's a part of it. So I was doing a call with my community, and this wasn't even like a trading training. It was like more so like a mindset call. And I was like, man, like some of us, we're so caught up in our day to day, we just need to zoom out. Yeah. And like when I said that, it's like take a step back, look at the whole outlook on things. And so I'm like, man, should I close right now? He's like, bro, you already know what to do. Zoom out, bro. Look at the overall structure, look at things. So like, you know, I definitely feel like you mentioning like, all right, boom, them back-to-back losses and not strategy hopping. It's about you just zooming out and realizing like, damn, I really might be in my 30%, and I
Right.
literally could go ham for the next 2 weeks and make my 70.
Exactly.
So,
like if you know you back tested your strategy, you know your strategy works. What are you stressing the losses for? As long as you know you followed your rules for the day, like it's okay. Like there's a new day tomorrow.
And I feel like the biggest stress of loss is when you over leverage. So I want to ask you now, what was that moment where you just like over leveraged? It was like, what was like your biggest loss that you was not okay with?
Ooh. That's a good question. That's a good question. That's a really good question. I would probably say I had a time back when I used to trade crypto. This was probably like a year ago.
Crypto would do it to you.
Crypto would do it to you.
Crypto had you ready to second guess everything.
Yeah. I think I had a trade. I probably had like 2,000 in that trade, and I was like, I was one of them. I was like, you know, you can't lose if you don't got a stop loss. Liquidate it. I was sick. That was the biggest lesson. Yeah, I
said
that.
You can't lose if you ain't got to stop. That is crazy.
Y'all, I came a long way, for real. Like, that's like, yo, my psychology, I've been through so many phases, y'all. I got some stories, like,
yo.
I got liquidated. I was so sick. No, at first it was working, though, but then I lost all that shit. I was like, damn.
Nah, that's crazy. So, you guys, I wanted to kind of just make this video as just like the first video coming out, you guys, of us actually working together. We're going to be partnering together, building a successful community, helping a lot of people win in trading and investing. As y'all can hear, she got a lot of experiences. She took some lessons, right? Same thing for myself, traded for 5 years, you guys. So I want to go ahead and let anybody watching this video know, if you are somebody that's brand new to trading or looking to succeed and you just want to be a part of that perfect community, go ahead and go to the description box below. You have all of my details there. You could get connected with not only just myself, but Madison as well. And we're going to be filming more videos, giving you guys more value, more funny stories, and all of that about trading and just all around creating success, you guys. So if you want, I know we got a little bit of time. You got to run ahead to do something. So if you want, go ahead and, shout yourself out, your Instagram, all of that stuff. And
okay. Yeah. I don't have a trading Instagram yet, but my personal Instagram is Madison Nicole, only one N. So
I'll put it in the description box below.
Yeah, and then my TikTok, I post on TikTok kind of like it's my spam, so I don't have like a trader username.
We're gonna create that and we'll get that to y'all too.
Yeah, we'll do that. I'm gonna change the username because
for sure. So we just officially connected. We're about to be working together, and I showed you some amazing trading resources. You could confirm if you think that they're amazing. But yeah, so since this meeting, like, how do you feel? Like, what's your outlook on us working together and creating a lot more success?
I feel great. I feel like we're gonna create a lot of content together. Like, we already have great conversations about so many different trading topics. Like, it's gonna be great. I can feel it.
No, for sure, you guys. Yeah. So it's your boy 773 Josh. I wanted to go ahead and give you guys this quick video. Definitely appreciate you, Madison, for pulling up, telling a little bit about your story, and I cannot wait to share the rest of it with them. And then also document it. You got that 30,000. Do you mind telling us where that account is now?
Okay, so what I did with the 30,000, I put 20K into futures and 10K into crypto. So because I dabble in crypto still a little bit. So on the future side of things, I got fucked over today. Well, no, not today. Yesterday and the day before.
So you're a little down.
So right I'm a little down right now. We're down like a band right now. Okay. But on the crypto side of things, I'm up like 1,400. So we're still up 400 overall with the 30K.
That's fire.
So
that's fire.
Yeah, I just got it last week, so we're gonna see.
For sure. How it goes. So we're gonna document the 30K journey with her, you guys.
Yeah.
So yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Nowadays all of my enemies